good morning. Today is a sea day and it's the first of two that it takes us to get from New Zealand back to Australia. This morning we had a sleep in, which was a great change of pace because every other morning we've had the alarm on so that we could get up for our shore excursions. So the next couple of days is just going to be about amusing ourselves with all the onboard activities. The ship time went back 1 hour last night, so that's going to help us to adjust back to Sydney time by the time we get there. It's Sunday. Mimosas at midday.
Alright, you got it to the Yorkshire. So you tell me, folks, you tell me, by raising your bid cost and placing a bid on the absolute line to the opportunity to do so, what you're going to do is give yourself the opportunity.
Which is a gigantic block of shit.
Absolutely nothing. So whose bid cost should be high up in the air? Everybody, so get the bid cost, keep them high, keep them to the sky. I'm going to read you number off as soon as I do. That's when you lower it right.
Got some quesadilla, some fried chicken, and chips.
And I don't know what else.
And I got pizza, fried chicken, and a vanilla mousse.
Yeah, we sell camera gear. Oh, I've got a bag here, I can just put them in that one. Thank you. See you later.
Thank you. So, it's almost 4 o'clock. Time to start drinking, which is okay because we're in international waters. Now's as good as time as any. Good?
Yeah, it's okay.
I was struggling to think. It probably would have been. I'm ticklish everywhere.
There we are. Oh, good evening. How are you? Very good.
We're just waiting for the others.
Pumpkin bread.
Oh, thank you so much.
Good.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Good. Dinner time. Oh, what are we having now? No more for you, Joyce. No more for you. You're starting to fumble things. What are we having? Pina colada and a Long Island iced tea.